Sammy Jake, and we are playing Terraria on the tablet. We're gonna create our character. We got a male, and okay, male. Eyes. My eyes are like blue. Wait, no, that's the skin color. I'm tan. Okay. I'm a male. Okay. Now, hair. My hair is like that. Oh wait, that's a girl hair. I got the wrong hair. Where's my hair? I love it like that. Like that. And then hair color. Is there brown? Yeah. One's like almost blonde, so like that. Yeah. Eye color. Blue. Okay. Now, shirt color. I'm wearing red. So I guess red. No, I guess like blue or something. Let's go for cool hunter kind of thing. Like that. Undershirt color. What color should it be? Blue? I think blue is really cool, but I'll go for like purple. Pants color. Oh. Okay. Wait just a minute. I need to do something. There. So now I can see it a little bit more. There. Okay, that's good. Okay. Now, shoes color. Well, I didn't even get the pants color. Guess like red. And my bottoms are gonna be like orange. Okay. Create, enter name. Stampy Jake. Wait. Stampy J-K-E. Stampy Jake. What? Okay, now to press start game, create world. Let's go for YouTube. Return. Okay. Underworld. Oh, who's that? Brett. Hi, Brett. Got my little sword right here. Get my little axe. Put down a tree. Ah, this is hard. Takes a while. New recipe unlocked. Did I just make 2? Crap. Yeah, I did. Hi, slime. Slime! What? How am I backing out? I see some like metal down there. Here's a very like flat place. I need to cut down some more trees. Okay, let's build a house. Okay. 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 No, I need to just like there's my little hut. I need my little crafting bench. And I'm gonna make a little make a door. What the heck? They're like making them. Okay, we did it this episode. We made our hut. And I'll see you in the next video.